Introducing the BELLA XL Electric Griddle. Say goodbye to uneven cooking surfaces and sticky messes. This griddle features a powerful 1500-watt heating system for fast, even cooking. Perfect for cooking pancakes, eggs, bacon, and more. Cool touch handles and a backstop ledge make flipping food easy. Experience ultra-durable, titanium-reinforced ceramic coating. It's 8 times more durable and cooks 30% faster than traditional nonstick surfaces. Cook with confidence as it's free from harmful chemicals. Cleanup is effortless with a true nonstick surface. The entire griddle is submersible for quick washing. Whether feeding a crowd or a quick breakfast, it's your go-to. Upgrade your kitchen today. Click the link in the description to grab yours now. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more kitchen essentials.